Do something funny. Yeah. I don't know. Jamie!
No.
Jamie, come here.
If it gives me a few minutes, I'll bolt for home.
What are you doing out in the rain? He's a wet rat.
Jamie, look.
Hair's falling out.
Hey, wet rat.
He's turning into a zombie. He's flopping his hands around. Oh my goodness. Jamie, do something funny. Go waller in that river. You are unbelievably cute. Hey. Hey. Take it easy, Bob. Take him to the river and let him get his feet wet.
Look, Mom.
Jamie, look. Let his hands go, see what he does. You splash? Look at him. He speaks Norwegian very well. It rained real heavy there for just a minute.
Oh, yeah.
See the lake over there in the road?
Yeah.